Over the last few days, she's scavenged abandoned scraps where she can. She's been spending more time up in trees, where she's safe, and where she can try to ambush antelope. Chip's finally taking fewer risks by not provoking rival predators in the valley, but she still hasn't caught any prey herself. This morning, she's patrolling her favorite acacia grove. But today, there's something different about it. She discovers a new scent, and it's driving her to distraction. It's the scent of a male leopard. Kaingo. And Chip likes what she smells. For the first time in her life, she's in estrus and ready to mate. Kaingo shows himself. Life is suddenly looking a lot less solitary. Kaingo may be hanging around, but he's also inexperienced in the ways of mating and is unsure of this forward female. He heads away, with Chip on his tail.